Hi guys, what time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Let me tell you now. It's equity time. From now onwards, every Monday, 9 a.m. Singapore time, 10 minutes is all you need to spend with us. We shall pick a wonderful stock, and this stock could come from Singapore market, Malaysia market, Hong Kong market, China market, or even the US market. We call it the OTOP 1910. One target, one purpose, Monday, 9 a.m., 10 minutes. Be forewarned, we are not recommending you any stock to buy, but we just want to share our view on a very powerful single stock, or perhaps possibly a high demand commodity for that particular week. So, what should you do on your part? Just leave a little finger, subscribe to us and be our follower. Then turn it on every Monday, 9 a.m. Singapore time, and join us. Be forewarned again. I will snatch your 10 minutes on every Monday morning, alright, while you fag a cigarette, while you're on the train to work, or maybe listen to us while you drive, sitting in your comfortable chair somewhere, or when you're having your nice aromatic morning coffee. Remember, OTOP 1910 is now here for you. Stay tuned, don't go away, and I shall be right back. Hi guys and everyone out there, welcome to the OTOP episode 5 for the week 31st August year 2020, and we are going to move into the first week of September. Well, time passes so fast and we are coming to the last month of Q3 seasons. Alright, guess what we have for you today? Today we have a very interesting and exciting counter that we're going to share with you, so you are able to pick some quick pocket monies for this week. But before one again, we are just sharing. Alright, please do your own due diligence and your homework before you want to get into any investment or trading, because we are not soliciting or encouraging anyone here to take risks. Alright, very quickly before we start off today and share with you what we're gonna have and what we're gonna give you on this good information. Alright, before we start off, continue to like us and please subscribe to us so you can be binged on every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, to watch our OTOP series. And then again, of course, please leave us some comments, especially, we are very thankful that we have received a lot of positive comments and good words from many viewers. Continue to do that and tell us more about how you feel so we are able to do better and better contents for you in times to come. Alright, take a look at this. This is what we're going to show you. Are you ready? Ta-da! Stock code 683 in Hong Kong, and this is Carry Properties. Alright, this is a wonderful stock, and why we are looking at a possible uprise this week for this wonderful stock counter, you will know in less than 10 minutes if you stay tuned with us. Alright, first of all, start off with the market cap, 29.1 billion Hong Kong dollars, and a brief executive summary. Carry Properties is an investment holding company engaging in the development, investment, management, and trading of properties in Hong Kong, the PRC, and Asia Pacific region. PE ratio 6.6, and earnings are forecast to grow 8.77% per year. Alright, let us just quickly move down. Okay, the PE ratio for this counter is 6.65%, slightly above the market fair value, but that's okay. Alright, it's 100% acceptable. Alright, and the price to book value is pretty reasonable and acceptable at 0.3 times. Okay, as we scroll down, we always look at the debt. Alright, the debt of the company, which the financial health. Alright, the short-term assets, 29.5 billion Hong Kong dollars, is able to exceed the short-term liabilities, while the short-term assets is well, a bit out to cover the long-term liabilities. But however, if you look at this, alright, this is the debt to equity history and analytical chart. If you look at this, it's pretty healthy. Okay, the equity at the top here definitely covers the debt. And what is the percentage? The debt is holding at about 40.3% of the equity, and it is definitely within control. All right, get on, and now we're going to tell you exactly why we think this is a good stock for this week, 31st August year 2020, because there is a dividend to be paid out soon at a very high rate of 6.76%. Look at this upcoming dividend payment, and when will that be? All right, on the 9th September, and let me just count. Yes, and this is going to be this Friday. All right, if you are able to hold these stocks over Friday closing, you will be able to receive a dividend of 6.76%. Okay, look at this. All right, the 63 dividend at 6.76% is higher than the bottom of 25% of dividend payers in the Hong Kong market, and well, I think it's above most of the average property counters here. So this is exactly why we are looking at Carry Properties stock code 683 for this week, 31st August year 2020. Right, quickly let's take a look at the chart. All right, this is a wonderful chart. All right, take note, this is a day chart here. If you look at this, okay, the stock code 683, and if you look at this day chart, all right, there is this very wonderful rooftop line, as we call it, okay, or we call the resistance line, in fact, that has been connecting down since the year 2019, all right, sometime in August, and all the way to the recent bottom here. Okay, if we look at this, what can we see from this? Number one, okay, on the day chart, there is a very high potential of breaking above the line, and it has been, loitering and dodging around this region here for the last few days. It is a day chart, always remember. All right, and the momentum actually is still pretty neutral, and they've got more room to grow if they want to. All right, so this is on the day chart. If you look at the 4-hour chart now, you will see that, wow, this is a very wonderful momentum on a technical chart that could be breaking out very soon. As you see, all right, the same rooftop resistance line here, all right, the prices are just about to break off. So if you ask me, would there be a breakout or would there be no breakout? And now we are banking exactly on this coming dividend payout, all right, which is the deadline is going to be on the 4th of September year 2020, this Friday. So which is why in the next couple of days, there is a very high chance that we are going to see a breakout above this, we call a triple breaking up, which is the 4 and 20 moving average exponential line that goes up and break above the resistance line, and most importantly, if it breaks above the 200 average line, which is this purple line, if you see here, all right, it's going to be a move up, and the momentum is going on to the positive zone. Everything is good as I look at it. All right, from this current price about $19, well, close to 20. If you ask me how high can it go up, I would think very briefly over the next couple of days until Friday, all right, we are looking at the top side. It could go up to anywhere like 21.50 or maybe 22. But bear in mind, this is a very quick momentum changing, and it's good to pick this stock just to collect some dividend, and the dividend is more than 6%, which is, it's a very attractive and impressive pocket money for most people who understand stock and come into this counter to pick up some quick positions. Another one last thing before I go, all right, not to forget, 10 minutes is something that we're not going to spend more than this time frame review on every Monday morning. Okay, if we are looking at this year, March, all right, March, where most of the Hong Kong or the tech stocks or across the board, all the prices coming down, all right, this stock code 683, Carry Properties has been coming down and moving sideways, all right. I would not say that it is strong, but definitely this is a firm market because they are, well, investment holding that holding on to a lot of properties, and the income will come mainly from rental or the sales asset. So after moving sideways for so many months from March, April until now, for the last almost like 5 to 6 months, we are expecting this week, all right, a breakthrough that goes up, right? So this week, observe and stay tuned to code 683 in Hong Kong, and that is the Carry Properties. We hope all of you can gain some profits like us. And don't forget, all right, don't just say that, oh, yeah, good, we're happy, thank you for sharing. Please write us some comments in, right, I will drop down at the bottom. And next week, don't forget, OTOP5 will be back here waiting for you. Good luck and bye-bye.